Hello! In this video, we're going to investigate how do the different types of radiations, alpha, beta, and gamma radiations, interact with the paper. Let's start our investigation. We're going to place different sources. Here, this is the source of emitting radiations, and this is the detector. So if we insert a paper as a barrier between the source and the detector, and we place different sources, we're going to see how do these radiations are affected. Let's start with the alpha radiation. For an alpha radiation, we choose the americium-241 source. We notice that these alpha particles are absorbed by the paper and they cannot reach the detector. So, the paper totally absorbs the alpha particles. For a beta source, we use the strontium-90 radioactivity source. So when this source emits beta particles and this paper is inserted as a barrier, the detector detects these beta particles. And now, for gamma radiation, we're going to use the cobalt-60 source. We notice that all these gamma radiations are emitted with very high energy and very high speed, so they are not stopped by this paper and they are detected by the detector.